you guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Eosmon in his champion level form. I hope you guys are ready, and I hope you guys have seen the new Digimon Last Evolution movie. Because, well, I never exactly got to see it, but, I hope it opens your hearts and to let you all know that you guys love Digimon so much. Anyways, you see eosmon is probably one of the main villains in the show. And, a little is known about him. I don't know about him. But, anyways, when you start drawing him, you must draw his ear, his lightning bolt shaped antennas on his head. Anyways, if you're drawing eosmon, you see, I'm actually drawing him in his champion level form. Wait, did I say that already? Nah, I probably didn't. Anyways, when you start drawing him, you must draw, like, the beehive-shaped symbols on his forehead. And done this. Okay, after this video, I'm just gonna get in the shower. I had a serious taco today. Let's see. Done this. Done this. There we go. Next up, you gotta draw his other thing. There we go. There's his other paw. Next up, you just gotta draw his other. And here's his. There's his other head here. There's his body. Here's his chest. Next up, you just gotta draw his apron. Make sure to add some hive-like appendages to it. Sorry if I didn't explain that before. Okay, and now that that's done, let's draw his appendage right here. Yes. And now, here's his next. Okay, so make sure to draw his fingers here. Okay, so here's his other arm. So, are you guys interested in Japanese products? Well, if you like buying Japanese toys, I think there's a anime store in New York City, and also there's this there's probably some Japanese toys in Flushington Village, in Huntington, and I'm really interested in the Digimon fusion toys, along with the Power Rangers Samurai stuff. It's hard to believe that they do sell Japanese toys in New York. I hope I find some real soon. I hear they sell Japanese Pokemon cards there. Anyways, here's a special effect about Eosmon. He has a lightning bolt sticking out of his arm. Okay, so I'm okay, so here's his shoes. I have no idea why the animators decided to put shoes on him. Maybe it's just a special effect. Okay. And let's see here. Okay, so yeah, that's done. There. And that's how you draw eosmon. Make sure to add some lines here for the outside of the corner. You need to draw in the hives to finish the design. But I think we'll stop for here for now. Anyways, it's my bedtime, and make sure to add these parts here, here, and here. So I'll see you guys later, and that's how you draw eosmon in his champion level form. Good night, folks.